In this video, I'll show you how to switch your Facebook profile to a page so you can manage your content as a public page. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, look for the option related to Professional Tools or Professional Mode. If available, tap Turn on Professional Mode and follow the instructions on the screen. This allows your profile to work more like a page with access to professional features. Another option is to create a separate page connected to your profile. To do this, go back to the menu and tap Pages, then tap Create. Enter your page name, choose the category that best describes your content, and add a short description. After that, upload a profile picture and cover photo if you want. Once the page is created, you can start posting and managing it like a public page. This is the easiest way to turn your profile presence into a page for a wider audience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.